Cracks and Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today, I will be sharing this cabbage juice, and I will also share the benefits of drinking cabbage juice. In my recipe today, I'll be using the Savoy cabbage, apples, and lemon. But before then, let me take you through this beautiful garden. Growing your garden just at your backyard offers numerous benefits, making it a rewarding and enjoyable activity. There are a lot of reasons to consider growing a garden at your backyard. It is fresh, organic. When you grow your vegetables and your herbs, you have direct control over how they're grown. You can decide to avoid harmful pesticides and chemicals, ensuring you have fresh organic produce to enjoy. It's cost effective. Maintaining a garden can help you reduce your grocery expenses. That is very true. I can tell you of a fact that I am enjoying that benefit. So now let's go into our juice of the day. So like I said, I'll be using the Savoy cabbage. So in my blender, I chopped my cabbage in bits. I added lemon to make this enjoyable, especially if you think that healthy juices or healthy smoothies are yucky. Just add an apple, a grape, or pineapple, and you will be good to go. Growing a garden at your backyard has health benefits. Gardening can be a physically and mentally rewarding activity. Yeah, you are exercising, it relieves stress, like this beautiful Estelicious garden that I have in the background. Oh my God, it is so relieving, so soothing to be in her garden. And you get to enjoy natural sunlight. You're connecting to nature, and it's just so beautiful. Okay, enough said. Let's talk about this juice. So you can term it either a juice or a smoothie. For me, it is a smoothie because I will be taking it with the fiber. Cabbage is known for important potential health benefits. Good for your digestive system, soothes your digestive issues like inflammation, constipation. It supports acid reflux like heartburn. Perfect for it. Excellent detox drink. And if you have ulcer, this is perfect for you. I will recommend this for weight management. Please like this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't. I guess I'll see you in my next